All right, in this quick training video, I'm going to walk you through how to use this feature on the Melaleuca website that is basically a checklist of all the different products that are available for people to order. And what I love about this is it really shows somebody the vast array of products that are available. And at the end of the checklist, it's actually going to pull up all the different products that they had checked off so they can explore more and learn more about each individual product. So let's go through the steps on how to actually send this checklist to your friend, to a prospect, somebody who wants to learn more about the Melaleuca shopping club and all the products. Now, this direct link that you see here is not the link that you send to somebody. That is the page where you're going to get the link to send to somebody. So now how do you get here? Well, you could just click on this link, or when you're on the Melaleuca.com website, you do have to make sure that you are logged in. So that's step one. Go to Melaleuca.com and log into your account. You're then going to go to menu right here. This also is going to work the same on a computer where we are now or on your mobile device. You go to menu and you're going to scroll down and click right here. Which products do you use? When you click on this link, then it's going to take you to this page. And this is where you're going to see this button. And this is what you want to click on so that you can send this checklist to your friend. So let's go ahead and click on this and go through the process really quickly. Click on share this page. It's going to open up this little dialog box. And this is where you have an option. You can either send it to them via email or SMS, which is a text message. Now, if you do email, it's important to let them know that the email is not going to come from you. It's actually going to come from Melaleuca. So make sure to let them know. And as always, with any emails, it may not go to their inbox. It might go in their promotions or spam folder. So anytime you send this to somebody and you do email, make sure you tell them it's coming from Melaleuca and to check their promotions and spam folder just in case. Or you could do SMS and just put in their phone number. Now, the default message that they're giving you here, that this is what they're actually going to receive in their email. I would delete this. I would send something completely different. You'll also notice when you do the SMS, there's nothing in here. It's blank. So you definitely want to type something like, hey, here's the checklist that I was telling you about. Go here and then let's talk, right? Something. Personalize it. Maybe put their name in here and then also end it with your name so they know that it's actually coming from you. Now, here's an example of what you could send if you're doing the email option. You know, you'd want to use their name, and here's some instructions. So this is what you're going to put in this box when you choose the email option. Go to this page, check off everything you use in your house, even if you don't need it right now, just so you can see how many amazing products this company has to offer you and your family. When you finish, click to get your results at the bottom of the page, and it will let you click to see all of the products you checked off to explore them closely. After you do this, I'll send you to the next step. You can also learn more about how the membership works. And that's in that next step right there. So I know you're going to love this as much as we do. Talk soon and then sign it with your name. So this is an example of what you'd want to send here in this box when you are sending the page via email. Now, once you do this, of course, you have to check this box as well and hit send email. I would also then send them another message. And this is where you would want to either send them a text or maybe a message on Facebook Messenger. And it's going to be something like, hey, I just sent the email. You may want to include here that it's coming from Melaleuca. And here's some additional instructions. Some of this is redundant. It's some of the same stuff up here, but it's also slightly different. Now, when they get your text or the email and they click on that link, it's going to take them to this page. And I would recommend that you actually go through this yourself just so that you can experience how it works. So you're going to go through and check off some of the products that you use. And once you've done that, you're going to then go down to the very bottom of the page. I'm just checking some stuff randomly and click get your results. I would recommend you do this just so that you can experience what your friend is going to experience when they go through the process as well. So when we click on that, check this out. This is really cool. It's going to give your friend a complete breakdown of all the different items that they checked off. And they can click on the buttons where it says see products. And look at this. It shows them the actual products that they checked off from the checklist. And they will be able to also click on these pictures. So if we click on this, and then it's going to take them to the actual product page where they can learn all about the product and the ingredients and see the reviews. And this is really awesome. Now, one of the best parts about this checklist is that you get an email when they finish the checklist. So for example, when they are on the checklist page and they go through all the different products, as soon as they click this button at the bottom to get their results, you are going to get an email. And it's actually going to give you a list of everything they checked off. Now, why is that powerful? Because it shows you everything they're interested in. And so you can have a very specific, detailed conversation with them about how maybe you love some of those same products and why you definitely would recommend which products, the ones that they checked off, that they should try. Now, as soon as they've completed that step, the next step for you, send them the what we call refer a friend presentation. And there's a little training video here that you can watch. By the way, this page that you're looking at is going to be in the description of the video that you're watching right now. And I'll also pop up that link on the video so you can see where to find this video. This video is going to walk you through the instructions on how to send the refer a friend video to your friend. The reason why this video is so important, number one, it's powerful. It's awesome. It's going to really paint a crystal clear picture of what Melaleuca is, why Melaleuca is so amazing, and share some really important details about how the membership works. So I personally would not refer anyone until after they've watched this video first. And by the way, as soon as they finish watching this video, it's actually going to give them the ability to join. So when somebody does the checklist, they do not have the ability to join directly with you after doing the checklist. But after watching this video, they do. All right, so if you have any questions on how this checklist feature works, just get back to the person who sent this to you, or you can drop a comment on this video. Definitely recommend that you play with it, test it out, and use this. Send this checklist out to some people that you know so they can experience this incredible little tool that we have here available, and it can help you to enroll some new shoppers with you into Melaleuca.